So this is the UI Professional Edition. This one features carbon fiber, really beautiful finish to this. And it is a utility knife, otherwise known as a box cutter. And it is the professional edition of it. It comes with 3 different versions. This specific one is the carbon fiber edition, which is exceptionally beautiful. So this is a very nice looking knife, and now it's time for us to test it out, how well it actually works. Opening this up, we're going to have this really heavy duty cardboard. We're going to actually be cutting this. So first thing first, cutting it over here. Very good. Next test. Slicing it down. This is the hardest test because usually this way it doesn't actually cut. Cuts pretty well. Let's try this way. Safety gloves just in case. It's really good too in shredding as well. Really awesome. Great performance. And last thing. Yeah. Absolutely excellent. Not only that, no marks on the blade. This one over here is the G10 edition. It has a really nice looking donuts-like design, making it very tasty. And over here we have a Mikado edition of it as well, for those of you who want a change and want something totally different. Now there's a few features of this that I want to go through just to show you why this thing is just amazing. First of all, it features a carry clip for you to actually use. Next thing, it opens up really well with an access lock included over here. And also, if you want to go ahead and change the blades, you can easily do so. It comes with an extra tool, every single one of them does. You can go ahead and use this tool, and you're going to be moving this around, and you're going to be making this much more loose, and then you can go ahead and take out the actual blade right out of here in case you actually need to. Let's go ahead and make this much stronger, and now this thing is secure in place. So now this tool by itself is very cool as well, and you get this extra as you're going to be getting the lock itself. Now a few other features about this that is awesome. First of all, the access lock make it very easy for you to go ahead and close this up, and it safely puts it into your pocket. Next thing over here, we have an actual small screwdriver, which is tactical, that you can use, and it's right on this side over here, easily accessed right over here. And the best part is that right there it's secure in place, so you have to press this button for it to go back into its place again. Now the best part about this is as you grab over here, you can go ahead and do all kinds of things that you can do with it. So you have 2 different tools included with you. Now for those of you who want a different kind of a small screwdriver, well, we have 2 different things for us to actually use, and just switch this around in case you actually need to, which makes it a very nice handy tool for you to use as well. Now the main meal over here is basically the actual box cutting blade, and it is really nice looking and stylish too. So having a very beautiful looking box cutter is awesome, and the access lock make it amazing. Now also a place for you to go ahead and put this right on your pocket. It's going to be beautiful. Look at how centered this is. Look at the quality of this. It's going to make it a very high-end, awesome looking box cutter that you actually want. And for those of you who are not sure which one to get, well, the carbon fiber works exceptionally well too. So it really is about which kind do you really want to get. The carbon fiber working one, which is amazing and awesome. The next one is the donut one, which is really beautiful and stylish. And for those of you who like the old-fashioned Mikrata edition, well, we have this also available as well. So up to you to decide. 3 different choices and really awesome selection for you to have.